In this video, we're going to be looking at the wireframe modifier. So I go into my properties editor, into the wrench icon, go down to the go over to the generate column, down to the very last one on the list, wireframe. I'm going to click on that, and I had used triangulate on this earlier to make it all triangular faces. If I tab in, I see my normal structure there. I'm going to go ahead and switch to face select mode. And if I take part of this, extrude it up, tab out again, you can see that I have, again, a wireframe of that shape. Over in my modifier, I can adjust the thickness of those edges. And so it'll take every edge that you have in the shape and it'll add thickness to it, and then you can hit apply when you're done. You can also do this by vertex group. I haven't played with some of these features, but we can adjust the offset. That's kind of where it centers where it's expanding the shape from. And then there's also, you can select the material that you have in like the material editor. If I had a material in there, this is the default material, but I can also, if I had more than one material, I could go to those material channels by selecting one would be the second one, two would be the third one, if I had those. So yeah, so this is basically the features here. You can play around with the settings, try it out. Hit apply when you're done, and you can tab in, and we can see that it's created faces for each of those shapes that we just put in there. Again, that's a really quick and easy way to make things like structures and girders and things like that for something that you want to be able to see trusses and things like that on. Pretty quick to do. So anyway, that's all for this one, and we'll move on to our next modifiers tomorrow.